Hello, hi. Welcome to English for Occupational Purposes class. In this video, we're going to look at Chapter 1, Introduction to Career Path, Part 1. So for today's lesson, I'll be giving a lecture. First thing first, let's look at the objective of today's lesson. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to determine a career path based on different factors and assess individual skills before choosing a career path. I think we all here have a dream, right? When we are in a kindergarten, when we are in year 6, in form 3, okay, we have what we want to be during that age, during that time. But as we go along, we are meeting with the reality, especially when you receive your SPM results, you realize that some of your dreams may not be something that you can achieve. So you start making your dream into something that is more realistic. So when you plan to pursue your degree, you go for something that might be useful for you, might be useful for your family, might be useful for your future. As you are moving into adulthood, you start making choices in your life. One of the biggest choices you make is to choose your career path. So, you can actually choose from a wide variety of options, like becoming a teacher. You can choose to become a policeman or an army, an engineer in various fields, a doctor, a pilot, a chef, work in cybersecurity field, an e-gamer, or just simply being a housekeeper. You can also be a corporate worker or a stall seller, a politician, maybe, or an actress or an actor if you are talented enough. Whatever the choices you made, the question will remain the same. Where will you be after you graduate? What will happen to you after you finish your study? So the very first step to pursue your future career is to determine your career path. Now, how do you make a good career choice? There are 4 factors that will determine your career path. The first one is your individual interests, skills, and also values. For example, you might want to become a photographer due to your interests and your skills in photography. The second one is the community, your family, and also your friends. For example, you choose to work in a company because your best friend is working there. The third factor is the location. For example, the job options in rural area might not be as many as in the urban area. So, you might have to choose a career based on the location you are currently at, or you will have to relocate to pursue your dream job. And last but not least, the wider economic conditions and labor market trends. You might need to choose your career based on availability and current market trends or demand. For you to survive in the real world, you have to research what is in and what is out for you to survive. There are 4 steps to career planning process. Step 1, know yourself. Step 2, find out about the job and also the courses. Step 3, make decisions. And step 4, taking actions. For step 1, basically you need to learn more about yourself. You need to understand who you really are, what you can do, what is your interest, what are the available skills you can offer. What do you want with your life? What do you want in your career? Learn about the factors that might affect your career path. For step 2, do some research about the job that you want to pursue. Find out about the requirements, the qualifications, the skills needed in order for you to perform well in that position. You can also ask questions to yourself, like, how do I get more information about the positions? Do I have the right skills? Am I qualified enough for this job? And so on and so forth. For step 3, make decisions on whether you can continue pursuing this career path by making comparison, looking at the pros and cons, looking at the options available. Do not rush in making a decision because in the end, it is you who will have to face the consequences of your own decision. And finally, step 4. Once you have made up your mind, take all necessary actions to ensure that you can get your dream job. Like go for extra classes so you can get certified on certain software, or go for workshops to improve your current skills which are necessary for the job that you are applying. Other than planning to get your dream job, you can also plan the direction of your career and your life. So that's all for now. See you guys in the next video.